Oh my gosh, he's right here. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at that massive fish. Oh my gosh. Oh. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, so there is a massive Corbina right in front of me here. I just casted at it. It kind of came up here, turned, I saw it, swam back to the wave, and I kind of cast right where it was initially before it turned. I swear it looked 22 plus. There's another right here. You're not gonna see this. I should put the drone up. That would be sick if I put the drone up right now. So that one was swimming about 10 yards away from my line, but in the direction of where my bait is, so that's a good sign. Oh my gosh, he's right here. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at that massive fish. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, he's right here. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at that massive fish. Oh my gosh. Alright, I spotted it. It's right around here. I'm gonna back up here. Got it. It's right where my line is right now. Come on, come on. Oh, oh, that's a tap, that's a tap. Oh. Corbina right here. Right here. He's going right to my bait. Come on. Alright, we got another decent Corbina. I cast it right into the wave. I was a little close. I'm hoping that didn't spook it. I lost sight of it, so I'm assuming I spooked it, but I'm just gonna keep my bait right there. Oh my gosh, it's right in front of me. It's right there. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it in. It's still moving this way, so I'm just gonna follow it. Wait till I see it again. I don't see it, but I know about the distance it was. That landed right in the white crest of the wave, so I'm hoping that's good. That's the distance. That's a good 20 pluser. So so challenging to sight cast successfully. Okay, he's right here. He hasn't come yet. He just turned around though. That's okay. So I don't know if I made a mistake there. I want to make sure he's not going the opposite way of me. Lost him. There he is. He turned around, so he's going the opposite way of me now. Okay, so I got in front of him. Lost him again. So I might have just seen one at least. Yes, we got one. Okay, so we got one straight ahead of us, moving in this trough. Just gonna pop it in the trough, in the direction that it was headed. about 15 feet in front of where I saw it. Oh, there it is. Just past me. Okay. Where are you? Okay. Oh, I just cast it on it. Okay. Oh, okay. Over here. He's coming back. That was a perfect cast. Oh, it's right on my bait. It is right on my bait. Come on. Take it. Okay, I lost it. It's amazing how easily you can lose them. There is so much life right there. Oh my gosh. Pick it up and let it go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, so I had, no. Okay. I had seen a Corbina, but I had also seen a guitar right where I threw it. Obviously hoping for Corbina. Woo -hoo. Oh, it's a guitar. That's all right though. That's a great fight. Great fish. You see how awesome a fight these are on light tackle. Good male. Good size male. That's a good 3-footer. Maybe a bit more. And these right here are the claspers. That's how you know it's a male. I will take it. Thank you, Jesus. Wow, I barely hooked that too.